In this video, I'm going to show Linux users how to use the command Pcal to create a yearly calendar that they can print out or create a hard copy. And if you found this video on YouTube, I will provide a link below the video to show you how to install it if you don't have it installed and how to use it. Now, a couple weeks ago or a few weeks ago, I showed users how, and I made a video on how to use the GNOME calendar, install the GNOME calendar on your system, and how to use it. And someone messaged me and said that they would like to create a printable copy, and I sent them a link to Pcal that allows them to create a hard copy or printable copy. So there is the GNOME calendar, and here's the command Pcal for the Pcal users if you decide that you want to use this command to create a hard copy. Now look at the command Pcal. Pcal is used to generate a PostScript, so it's going to generate an extension of PS to produce the landscape or portrait calendars for any month and year. Not only can you generate a single month and year, you can generate a whole yearly calendar so that you can print it out. And there's a lot of different switches or options you can use to do even more than what I'm going to show you. But I'm just going to show you how to create a yearly calendar and a calendar that you can print a yearly calendar on one page. Now, if you don't have it installed in your system, you just simply open up your terminal and you go update your PPAs, sudo apt update, and then you go sudo apt install Pcal. I already have it on my system, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this list of commands that will create me a yearly calendar, and it will create a yearly calendar and put it in your home screen. So what I'm going, or home folder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and delete these commands or these files that were originally placed on my system from doing this when I created my website, and I'm going to re-enter it. Now this is the command here, and then it's going to send it to, that error is to send it to this file name. So it's going to create a file name with an extension PS. So you can type in whatever file name you want. Since I'm going to create a calendar, I called it calendar dash, and I put 2023 since it's the year currently at 2023, then a space, and this tells the calendar what year to create it for. So if you want to make one for 2024, you replace the 3 with a 4, or if you want to make a past calendar for years 2022, 21, or 20, or any other past year, you can replace that and just replace it in the name as well. But I'm going to create it for 2023, as you can see here. So let me open up my home folder, open up my terminal, and I come in here and press the paste key, what's on my clipboard, press the enter key, and as you can see here, I do have a thumbnail now for the year of January of 2023. So I can scroll all the way down and see December. We're in the 8th month, so here's the month of August. And as you can see, today is August the 5th at the time of recording this video, so this is Saturday, August the 5th. So this allows you to create a calendar for a particular year, creating it in a PostScript. Now this is a PDF viewer, my default PDF viewer, and most default PDF viewers can open a PostScript with the PDF viewer. However, if you try to annotate or if you try to open it with a PDF editor, you'll get an error message. So if you'd like to convert the PostScript to a PDF file, you'll need to use the PS to PDF converter. Now this is part of the GhostScript command, so if you don't have GhostScript on your computer, just simply copy this and that will install GhostScript, so that way that it will have the command PS to PDF converter on your system. So all I'm basically doing when I use this command is I'm going to take and convert that file that I created up here, which is the calendar-2023 .ps, and I'm going to convert it to calendar 2023.pdf. So whatever you named it up here, you're going to put that name here, and then you're going to type in a name of whatever you want it as the PDF file. So let me go and copy this, open up my home screen or my home folder, paste this, press the enter return key, and as you can see here, here's the PostScript, and then here is the PDF file. So I can scroll down and it's the same thing that you saw on the other one. The only difference is instead of being a PostScript, it is now using the extension of PDF, so I can use my PDF annotator or PDF editor, and I can write things in with the calendar and save it and print it out. Now if I wanted to look at a yearly view instead of looking at the month by month, I can simply use Pcal and change an option here, which is the W, and then it will create a single page instead of looking at a single page for each month. So let me put the file manager here, type and put this in here, press the enter return key, and as you can see here, I now have and the reason I put 2 at the end is if I just left out the 2, it would overwrite my yearly calendar that displays it per page of each month. I just put -02 at the end to give me a separate file name. So the one that ends in 02, if I double click, this will give me the year on one page. So if I look at each month, I can see a calendar for each month, and I can print it out at one page. So I can put this up maybe on beside my desk on the wall. So if I want to look at it quickly as to reference to know what day or something is on, I can have a quick view of it. Now this Pcal command is a lot more powerful than what I showed you on my website. So if you click the man page, this will give you a description, a quick synopsis, and shows you a lot of options. It'll give you a detailed description. It will show you other ways of changing the format, and then below, when you get to the options section, it will show you a list of switches, and there's a lot of them that you can use with this particular command. Here are the options, and there's a lot of different options that you can use with this command so that you can enhance its capabilities. But all I simply showed you on my website was how to create a simple yearly calendar, so you can display all the months between January to December, and how you can make a calendar within one page. Like I said, it's got a lot more features than just what I showed you, so use the man pages for some additional or more advanced features. Hopefully this video will help you if you're looking for a way to create yourself a printable or hard copy calendar, and have a great day.